Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shagufta, and today I'm gonna talk about, for a second, I just shot this makeup tutorial on the TikTok channel, and tomorrow it will live soon. So here's my TikTok ID, and you can search me anywhere from this ID. I will available there with this ID. So let me talk about this liner that I'm gonna review. These cute pot liner from the Lakme, and so I'm going with like the packaging, price and everything. So the first thing is the price, no sorry, packaging. So they comes in like this. There is no packaging, nothing. It comes in like this, and I have three of them: green, blue and black. And black is very common, I think we all use them, this one. So moving to the price. So price is 124 each of them, or if you buy online, maybe sometime it's on discount, or maybe if you are lucky enough, so you can also bought it like under 100 on some online store like Nykaa or Amazon. So moving to the quality. The quality is, I'm not gonna say like very good quality, because it's so watery and it takes time. See the battery, it takes time to dry, but I really like the pigmentation of these liners. So I use as, like, if I want to do something creative makeup, so I use these cute pots. And let me swatch black too. So it took time to dry, so I'm not gonna say the very good quality, but in this price range it's a good quality. If you want to create something new or something colorful, you can use these liner in an affordable price. And also I use as a liner, but it takes time, but not that much time to dry it. And one more thing, the pigmentation is like, you need to build up the pigmentation. You can see on the hand, but when you draw the line on the eyelid, you need to apply 2 times to get this pigment level. So and it's easy to work with. I'm not gonna say like you need skills to use this. No, it's just like a black liner, nothing new. So you can easily work with. If you want something to create or something new, so if you can go for this in this pricing. If you are bit on a money crisis, so you can go for these liners. These are colorful and easy to work and easily available, so I also use them. So that's all for the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and follow me on my other social media handle, and I love you all. Bye.